Oh, if you're new to my channel and if you're not, welcome back. I'm Mike. I'm a hairdresser, a L'Oreal colour specialist, a makeup fan and a skincare lover. In today's film we're going to be talking about the best hairsprays on the market. Hairsprays I love and hairsprays I use every single time. So if you want to find out what hairsprays are the best and are worth your money, then you better keep on watching. What is the story, everyone? Today's film is going to be all about hairsprays, and I was a bit unsure whether to make this film or not, but some of the hairsprays are just a heap of dirt. When people say hairspray is hairspray, hairspray is not hairsprays. There's different type of hairsprays for different types of hair and they have many different uses. I've collected about 5 hairsprays that I use on the daily, and they're hairsprays for updos, for styling hair, for holding hair, for slicking hair back, for doing curls and all those different styles. So there's hairspray for everything. So you guys, let's get right into it. And the first hairspray I'm going to be talking about is Fix Design by TechniArt. When it comes to this hairspray, I absolutely adore it. And it's probably one of those hairsprays that I reach out for every single time, especially when it comes to doing my hair. So as we all know, with TechniArt we get the little force number over here and it is force 5. So what can I tell you about this hairspray? This hairspray is definitely ultra strong. As you see me at the beginning of the film, I sprayed it in my hair and it just holds my hair really well. So if you're looking for a hairspray that's going to hold the hair really well, this hairspray is absolutely brilliant. Also, it enhances the shine and it doesn't leave residue. Loads of the cheap hairsprays are really thick and they leave residue on the hair, so you might spray it and even when you brush out the hair, there's still residue and build up on the hair. You don't get that with Airfix and many of the other good hairsprays, but especially with Airfix, it does not leave the residue. It is brilliant for strong updo, so like that if you're looking for nice bit of height. So as you can see, I sprayed that in my hair and it literally just holds it, but it doesn't look sticky in any way. And the brilliant thing about TechniArt is that TechniArt was designed for hairdressers that do shoots. So all of the hairsprays are very light, so they're very model friendly, if that makes sense. So you could brush out your hair afterwards and the product will brush out really nicely. So if you're looking for something that's really strong, it's gonna give a shine, Airfix is definitely for you. Now you guys, the next hairspray I'm going to be talking about is Fix Design by TechniArt. So this is your classic pump-like spray. So what I mean by pump-like spray, if I'm going to spray that, hold on, I don't think this one is even open yet. So as you can see, you can spray it and the driplets just come out of it and it's absolutely brilliant. This hairspray is brilliant if you're looking for overall diffusion on the hair or just localized diffusion. And what do I mean by that? I use this hairspray quite often if I wear a slick back look, because as we can see, it is force 5, so it is very strong. It's nearly gel-like in a spray if you ask me. It is very strong. So what I would do is, for example, right, if I'm wearing my hair slick back, you could literally just spray that all over your hair and it's gonna hold. And when I say it's gonna hold, it's gonna hold. Or if you're just looking to, let's say, spray it here, because the way it's designed, you could literally just spray it in one area and it's just gonna hold. It's not gonna spray everywhere else. So if you're looking for more precise hairspray, if I can say that, this product is absolutely brilliant for you and it is really strong. Now you guys, the next hairspray I'm gonna be talking about is, drumroll please, Luminous Hairspray by Moroccan Oil. Oh my god, you guys. When it comes to doing clients on the floor, especially clients on the floor, I reach out for this hairspray quite a lot. Why? So this is the medium finish and I find the medium finish is the best because it's brushable, it's gonna hold the hair and add shine. It's weightless and it's gonna provide you with long lasting, which is absolutely brilliant. And like that, it doesn't make your hair hard and sticky, and no one wants to be going around with sticky hard hair. And you know yourself, like when you get this cheap hairspray and you spray it, the hair is literally glued together and it gets so hard that you can't even brush it through now. I mean, I've loads of hairspray in that now, but as you can see, there's still a bit of movement and I can brush my fingers through it somehow. So this hairspray fights frizz and humidity, which is very important, so it's going to protect the hair from humidity, and it contains argan oil technology in it. So it's going to be very gentle on the hair, and it's going to be nourishing, and it's going to add that lovely luminous shine. But I especially love this hairspray if, let's say, someone says to me, it's like, oh Mike, can you just put a bit of hairspray so it lasts? Yes, I can. This is the hairspray I'm going to reach out for. If I'm doing like a curly blow dry and I want it to last without making the hair really sticky and make it feel like there's hairspray on it, this hairspray is brilliant. And it is very light, as you can see on the camera. I don't know if you can see it on the camera. The driplets are really fine, so they're not going to collect on top of your hair. It's also brilliant for natural styles or for anyone that's just looking for a bit of hairspray. Like often what I would do, even if I'm doing like straight hair, and you know your flyaways, like loads of people have low flyaways, all you can do is just put hairspray on your hand. And I would probably use Moroccan oil for that because it is so light in weight. And you could just brush that on and it's gonna literally get rid of all your flyaways. And let me say, this hairspray smells absolutely amazing. Like the smell of this hairspray is not like your regular hairspray. There's definitely a nice soft Moroccan oil smell to it. So, I mean, where could you go wrong? Oh, guys, this film wouldn't be without probably one of my favorite brands. So let me introduce you to LOreal by Kerastase. And oh my god, sure, this film wouldn't be the same without Kerastase. And I remember when they brought out their couture range, which is a good few years ago, and it just didn't take off. Do you know what, their couture range, which was their styling range, they had hairsprays, they had gels, they had mousses for curly hair, they had sea salt spray. Actually, it just never took off, and it was very sad because I thought it was absolutely brilliant. I don't know whether it was the price point. Kerastase obviously likes to charge for their products, but I thought their couture range was absolutely brilliant. And I love the hairspray. So this is the Nor, and then there's another one. So this is the extra strong hold, and the other hairspray was just a regular hold. But I mean, I just seen this one, so I'm just going to pick it up. But the two of them are brilliant, and when it comes to stronghold hairspray, this one is absolutely brilliant. And why do I love this hairspray? It gives you 24 hours anti-humidity and anti-frizz, so this is very important. It's going to protect the hair from frizz and humidity up to 24 hours. And I mean, if you live in Ireland and it rains all the time, or if you live in a really hot country and it's really warm, your hair will get frizzy. So this hairspray is absolutely brilliant, and it's going to provide you lovely shine, and it smells absolutely brilliant. So let me just pop a tiny bit of that on my hair. And the smell is just gorgeous. Like, there's no smell of alcohol out of that, which I live for. And the packaging is absolutely gorgeous, but definitely the 24-hour anti-humidity and anti-frizz is a plus for me. And when it comes to hairsprays, when I hear someone saying like, oh, my hair gets really frizzy, would you put hairspray in it? That's what I would reach out for. Sometimes you have to listen and be like, right, what do they actually want out of this styling product? Like, do they want the extra hold, or do they want just something to hold their blow dries, or are they looking for something to control anti-frizz? So you really have to think, what is the best product for your hair? Right, you guys, let me introduce you to the last product. And this hairspray is gonna be Infinium by L'Oreal Professional. And let's not mistake that for the heap of dirt that is Elnet. And if you're using Elnet, shame on you. No, Elnet is just a no. And probably loads of people would expect me to talk about Elnet, but I'm just not a fan of it. It's just that cheap, smelly, rotten, nasty hairspray that I just can't cope with. But this is Infinium by L'Oreal Professional. So what can I tell you about this product? I mean, it is big. I mean, there's 500 mils of hairspray in that. It comes in 4 different strengths. So this is soft and supple. There's also extra strong, medium, and there's a very interesting one which is called Infinium Pure. And Infinium Pure is a hypoallergenic hairspray, because I did not actually know that loads of people could be allergic to hairspray. And it's new to me, because why would you be allergic to hairspray? Like, that was just alien to me. But actually one of my clients was allergic to hairspray, and I was like, oh, people can actually be allergic to hairspray. The pure one, which comes in a silver bottle, there's no fragrance in it. It's made out of minimum ingredients, and there's no masking smell to it. And it is hypoallergenic, so it's as pure as you can get to a hairspray, which is very good. And especially for hairdressers that do loads of session work, I mean, we have to mind our lungs. But Infinium is absolutely brilliant. It dries instantly and it doesn't get stiff on the hair, which is very important. Like guys, I'm after putting so much hairspray in my hair now and there's still some natural movement, and my hair is slightly stiff because why wouldn't it be? But my hair is still looking decent, like it's not separating. But this hairspray is also ultra fine, and when we can see it from the driplets, it is so fine that it's not going to build up on your hair and it's not going to make your hair sticky and hard like other hairsprays would. Because sometimes when you see a hairspray and it says extra strong, you spray it and it nearly looks wet in your hair. Those extra strong hairsprays don't do that to your hair, which I think is definitely a plus. So you guys, when it comes to hairsprays, whether you're looking for a hairspray that's just gonna hold your hair, or a hairspray that's gonna, you know, protect you from humidity and frizz, or you're looking for something, or if you're looking for something really strong that's just gonna hold everything, and this hairspray is absolutely brilliant. If you have short hair and you just want to hold everything back, this guy is for you. Or if you're just looking for something to finish your curls with. And guys, like I said, it's brushable easily. Like, look at this. I'm after brushing my hair now, and this is no shade, and all that hairspray is brushed out. And I'm after putting 1, 2, 3, 4. Am I missing some? Oh yeah, 5. Sorry, 1 fell on the ground. And I'm after putting 5 hairsprays in my hair. You can still run your fingers through my hair. So you guys, when it comes to hairsprays, there's everything for everyone. Whether you're looking for something to, like I said, to control frizz or to hold your hair, there's a hairspray for everyone. Anyways guys, thank you for watching today's film. I hope you found this film rather interesting, helpful and useful. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also, check out my other social media. And of course you guys, please take care. Bye.